Hey there! In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to disable the Save and Fill Payment Methods feature on Brave browser. Let's jump right in. First, open your Brave browser. Next, click the menu icon in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Now, scroll down and look for the autofill section on the left-hand side. Click on Payment Methods. Here's the magic step. Toggle off the Save and Fill Payment Methods option. This will stop Brave from saving or autofilling your payment details. Also disable. Allow sites to check if you have payment methods saved. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the Save and Fill Payment Methods feature in Brave browser. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.